Hello guys, welcome to another video here, Tech Therapy Guy. Today I'm going to show you guys a free video editor that Windows 10 has incorporated in their operation system. Yes, believe it or not, Windows 10 has now a free video editor. Let's go ahead and jump in. To look for the Windows video editor, we can just go to the bar right here in the bottom and we click video, and we have the menu right here show us video editor. We open it up and it's pretty simple. Right now we don't have nothing saved. We're gonna create a new project. Let's see, a new project. Once we have a new project, ask us how we're gonna name it. Let's see, test one. And now here we're gonna add the videos that we wanna add into our storyboard right here in the bottom here. So the library, all the videos that we wanna use, that we're gonna edit. To start, we can add the videos right here. We wanna edit this from RPC that we already have saved. Let's go ahead and add a couple videos. We can just click the first one, hold the shift key, select those two, click open, and now Windows will bring in here. And once we have it over here, we can go ahead and click on it and drag it to our storyboard. We have it here. This is a gaming video about working on it, and here you can actually play and see the video. You can listen to the video. And it's pretty much the same like on all the videos. We can add title cards. We can trim the video, split, add text, motion, 3D effect. We just have to play with it and you see all the features it has. We can actually hear background music, custom audio if we want to speak to it, the speed of the video, and have all the functions that any another application for video editing has. It's pretty simple. I really use it a couple times. I really like it. Let's see, we select this video right here and we want to let's see, we can split it. It shows the video. We want to split it right here, or we select where we want to split it right here, split in two. We can done, and now the video gets split in two. Tell us how many minutes we have in this video and how many minutes we have in this video. We can actually add a title card right here, and we can select on it and we can do anything. Add the title card, another title card. We can click on it. We can remove it. We can remove this title card, or we can just leave this one. And here we can go ahead and add the test. If we don't want to use it, we can just you see remove it right here. We can add a test on top of the video too. We click on here, and we have all the selections, the simple fonts that we want to use. We want to go ahead classic. Here we type making a new video, and all the titles. We click done. Here we want the layout, and he shows us where we want the video. If we want it right here in the middle, in top, and the side, right in the middle. Different functions. And you cancel. We don't want that one. We can say disregard. Go back to the video. It's pretty versatile. You guys can do a lot of the functionality that any other video editor that you actually have to pay for it. This one is offered by Windows and it's free, and it works pretty much the same, and does a lot of really good editing. Once we finish with the video, we can actually click finish video here. We can export it and to our drive. We can actually connect it to our YouTube channel if we want to put it straight to our YouTube channel, or any another website that we want to add it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe, and I hope you guys like it. And I will, if you guys want more extents about working in this free video editor for Windows 10, please let me know, and I will work and I can show you guys more extents how this video editor work. But for now, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.